Well, hello guys. I've got a quick one for you. So if you've got one of these older Samsung mobile phones, such as the S7 Edge or the S9, S8, and I think some Galaxy Note carry these features. So, for years the iPhone users can screen record. They had that option. What we didn't know, or a lot of us didn't know, that your game screen or your game launcher will allow you to do screen record or recording. So, for example, if something's on a screen playing from like a Facebook app link, or you want to record yourself doing something in the sense of going through an app and gather that memory, you can follow these instructions that I'm about to give. So to start or to activate, switch on, enable, call it what you want, screen recording on your Samsung Galaxy S7, which is the one I'm using now. You're going to go in your apps, okay, and then you're going to go find settings. All right, so you go settings, and when the screen loads, you go to maintenance device maintenance. Okay, so when you're on the device maintenance screen, you'll see this dialog box popped up. You're going to go below optimize now, and you're going to go to performance mode. That's the second one in from your right side. So you're going to click on performance mode, and when you go in performance mode, you'll see its default setting is saying optimize recommended. But what you want to do, you want to go back, you want to go and select game, and when you click on game, another dialog box gonna pop up. Yes, like it says on the tin, game mode. You're gonna click apply. Okay, and you're going to turn on. So right now it's on, so it says to use game mode, power saving mode need to be turned off. So if your phone is in power saving mode, then you need to turn that off. I'm going to show you how to do it and go back, or you can just click on turn off here and it will gradually do what it's supposed to do. So the phone now optimized, the game launcher is selected, and you go back to your regular screen. You will see the game launching app up top to my right. See a little to my left, sorry. If you look top, I'm going to pull it down, and you're going to go find the game launcher mode there. I'm going to show it to you now. I'm going to click on it and it shall open. So there is what I'm using at the moment to record this. But when you come out of that, if you go into your feed, your news feed, to my bottom left of the phone, you see the game launcher button. I'm going to click on it. So when you click on it, you find this dialog box comes up, game tools. Okay, in game tools, bottom right corner, you have record. Everything here that you're looking at on the screen, you can record. Okay, you can screenshot, you can lock it. So this is designed to record whatever game you're playing, whatever game you're using. I'm going to click on record. It's going to give me a sign saying unable to record, another app is using it. So this is why I can't, because I'm doing this video to show you how it works. But I guarantee you, when you do this on your phone, it will work. So, a little tips and tricks for your old Samsung Android S7 Edge. And yeah, there you go. So if you think it was washed up and you need to change it, trust me, these phones are packed with hidden little gems that we didn't know about. So until next time, If you have any question, feel free to put it in the comment box. Like I said, I can do whatever I want to do from here. Whatever apps you go in, you can have it. And do you know you can do double screen on these phones? Okay, so here we are. That's me looking at my YouTube page, and I'm gonna get out of that. So peace out, people. Take it easy, and like, share, subscribe to my videos. Whatever nuggets I find, I'll post them online. Peace.